Welcome to TU Dublin's Student ID Card Photo Resize tutorial. Right click on the photo you want to resize and click on Open With. From the Open With menu, select Paint. At the bottom of the Paint window, you can see exactly how big the photo is. To reduce an image's file size, click on the Resize and Skew button from the Image tab. In the Resize and Skew menu, select Pixels and change horizontal to a smaller dimension. Vertical will automatically change. Press OK. Next, press File, go to Save As and save your photo as a JPEG. Once saved, you will see your image file size has changed at the bottom of the Paint window. Your image is now ready to upload in the registration portal.